Replacement on Samsung NP450R5U laptop. Thank you, Sir Clifford, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Replacing a laptop keyboard by taking it to a professional repair shop is a wise and practical decision. Professional technicians possess the specialized tools, knowledge, and experience to ensure the replacement is done accurately, which greatly reduces the risk of causing any additional damage to your laptop during the process. By opting for professional service, you ensure that the new keyboard is installed correctly, restoring the full functionality of your device and improving your overall typing experience. Additionally, professional repair shops often offer warranties on their services, giving you peace of mind knowing that your laptop is in capable hands. This approach not only solves the immediate issue of a malfunctioning or damaged keyboard, but also helps to extend the overall lifespan of your laptop, making it a cost-effective and reliable investment in maintaining your device's performance. However, at PTT IT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. Keyboard replacement is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your keyboard replacement too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.